So yeah, I'm Stephen McFarlane. I work for Notch 8, a Ruby on Rails consultancy down in San Diego. And recently we've been getting into something called Polymer, which is by Google. And so this, Google's annual Santa tracker, is written in Polymer, so that's just an example of it. But what Polymer is, as has been the recent tradition in HTML and JavaScript specs, is we work in the future today. So lots of stuff is proposed, several versions of JavaScript out, several versions of HTML features, but we get to use them today. There's special tricks and libraries that people build. So what Polymer is web components. So basically we get to write our own HTML tags that do whatever we want them to do. And so we found this super, it's a way to just do exactly what we want, and it integrates very well with everything we're already doing. Like has been talked about earlier with React, where you build a component. It's the same, but this is a standard that eventually some version of what Polymer is will be ratified in the future and be part of HTML. But the main reason we like it is Google gives us all sorts of stuff for free. So you heard earlier tonight that you're going to be able to do Bluetooth from a web page. There is a Polymer element that lets you do Bluetooth through a web page, and you just plug in the component and it will work. And in February, I'm going to be giving a talk on service workers, which let you run your app offline or portions of your app offline. There is a Polymer element for doing service workers, and it kind of just works. For those of you who have seen Google's design, material design, I'm not a designer. I've talked about that with some people here tonight. I don't design. Google gives a whole bunch of elements where, just like using regular HTML, but it gives you material design for free. So you get the same nice Android-y look that Google uses for everything, and it's super easy to use and integrate with what you're using already. So, and there's many other things here for basic web development, animation, e-commerce, phone, whatever have you. Polymer's pretty much already got it. And you get to write components in a way that's natural, like Michael talked about earlier, where you have your CSS, your HTML, and your JavaScript all in the same file. It's really a nice way to work, and it's the future of how it is going to work for us at some point when they decide on how to ratify all of this. So that's it. That's all I had. It's been super beneficial to us lately. We've been using it in a few of our clients' projects, and it's worked out wonderfully. Thank you.